Okay, welcome back. And so we've done so much already. We've done functions, how to define functions, how to add parameters in a function, how to return a function and all of that, and how to use function expression. So before we go into function scopes of variables and a function, I want to show you something. I want to just point out something about function expression. Function expression usually ended with a semicolon. Most of the browsers will trigger an error if you don't put a semicolon. Now let's see this. Oh no. Try something and see if it works. If it doesn't show what I want to explain, I'll proceed to some other things. Okay, let me comment these ones. Let's see. Okay, so something happened. I want to comment this out so that we can explain them one after the other. Now it showed us 70. There are two expressions here, declaration and expression. We display the declaration on top of the function. We display the output on top of the function declaration. All right. Now, if you see for declaration, it gave us an output. Now let's try the same thing for, let's comment this one out and try the same thing for function expression. Function expression didn't display anything. So the lesson to take away from this is that when you're using function expression, you must output the just below the function expression. But when you're using declaration, so you see the output came since we did it on that one. So using declaration, you can output the answer anywhere.